Hello my friend, welcome again to Chef City classes. Today I try to teach you something very special. Today I will show you how to make your frosting for your wedding cake. Today we have 4-tier wedding cake. This is the decoration for it, sample decoration, and we're gonna use fresh flour. So please, I try always to make things easy for you to understand and to pay attention how we're working and how we're gonna put the cake together. So please pay attention, and now we're gonna see a lot of surprises in this class, and it is free just for you. This is the beautiful topper gonna be in the top of the cake. This is my beautiful flour. So what are you waiting for? Let's enjoy this beautiful class together, and I hope you find what you're looking for, and I hope this class make you so happy. Okay my friend, thank you so much for watching, and this is the result for the cake. So bye bye, see you in class and have a good time. Bye bye.